All right, good day everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is Catholic and Vlogs. And today we will be talking about permutations. And this case that I will be giving to you is the case of permutations of n objects, or permutations not all distinct. Of n objects not all distinct. Again, this is the permutation of n objects not all distinct. So by the way, the formula for permutation of n objects not all distinct is permutation is equal to n factorial over n minus 1 factorial times n minus 2 n sub 2 factorial up to n k factorial. This n stands for, these are the repeated letters, and this is the number of letters. So this is the permutations not of n objects not all distinct, meaning say my the same letter. Okay, they have the same letter. So let's start with the problem number one. This problem only. In how many ways can the letters of the word assassination be arranged so that all S are together? In the letter assassination, okay, assassination, let's count. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So there are 13 letters. However, you have to be arranged so the S are together. So let us have S here. So we will deduct S here. So the number of S is 4. So let us make this one as a 1, or as one letter, because S are together, or one position. Okay. So since we need to have subtracted by 4, because S and S, there are 4 S that they need to have, or the S should be together. So therefore, we have to subtract it by 4. So therefore, there are only 9 letters left. Okay, aside from this, we have here the S, which is one position, or one letter only, considered as one letter. So therefore, if there are letters, so the remaining letters would be A, A, I, N, A, T, I, O, N. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the remaining letters is 9. So therefore, and we have here 4 letters considered as one letter, which is S. So let us have this one plus 1. So therefore, there are 10 letters that we need to consider. Since there are repeated letters here, so this A and A, so there are 3A. Applying the formula, permutations of n objects not all distinct. So we have here 2I and 2N and 1T. Since if we will put S as one condition here, because we have to think, or have to have the number of N. Okay, we need to check kung pila man tanan ang number of n. So the number of n now is 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. But there are repeated letters, so therefore permutation is equal to 10 factorial over 3 factorial times 2 factorial times 2 factorial times 1 factorial is equal to, we have to multiply, because these are the repeated letters. So therefore 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 2 times 1 over, we have here 3 times 2 times 1 times 2 times 1 times 2 times 1. Okay, so we are going to use the formula, this one. So if we're going to calculate, so let's calculate 10 factorial over 3 factorial times 2 factorial times 2 factorial equals, the answer is 15, 151,200 ways that the letters of the word assassination be arranged so that all the S are together. Okay, this is an example of permutation, not and objects, not all these things. Again, so how did they come up with this assassination? Let's recap. So assassination, there are 13 letters. But since S are together, we have to subtract S considering this is in one position. So therefore 9. But this S is in one position or one letter only, considering one letter. So therefore we have to plus 1 is equal to 10. And after which, we have to apply the formula, not all this thing, and objects, not all this thing, that all the number of letters being considered over the repeated letters. We will not consider 4 is as a repeated letters because we consider it as one letter as together. So therefore, we have here A-I-N-A-T-I-O-N plus S, so that is 10 letters that we need to rearrange. So in A-A-I-N-A-I-T-O-N and S, there are 10 letters, but there are 3 letters which are A, 2I, 2N, and 1T. So this time, we can now apply the formula for permutation and M objects, not all these things. So P is equal to 10 factorial over the repeated 3 factorial times 2 factorial times 2 factorial times 1 factorial. Okay, that's all. Thank you for listening. The answer is 151,200 ways that the letters of the word assassination be arranged so that all the S are together. Thank you for listening.